been studying families and communities, so we came up with this awesome project where we can help others. It's called Pulsera Project, and if you buy one of these awesome bracelets for $5, 100% of the proceeds goes to help others in need outside of the Elmhurst community. So let's get together as the Elmhurst community and the Duke community and help others. Thanks.
I think that you should buy Pulsera bracelets because they go towards a really good cause and they're all handmade, and I think the cool thing about it is that you can see who actually made the bracelet.
We're a heritage club, so a lot of what we do revolves around embracing our Indian and Pakistani heritage and learning more about it, and just connecting with other people who share similar, background.
Well, recently we're trying to actually have more of a presence at York because last year we weren't all that prevalent. We actually were only present in the International Fest, and this year we're trying to actually, like I said, be more present. So we're doing a lot more stuff with volunteering at concessions. We're gonna be at the pot roast this Wednesday, and yeah, you're gonna be seeing a lot more of Indo-Pak at school.
So you should join Indo-Pak Club because we teach you about the heritage and traditions of the Indian culture and also the Pakistan culture. We go into depth on what they are, and we also provide free food. And every once in a while, we'll watch a Bollywood movie of what the class chooses or what the club chooses. And we'll also this year take part in many other fundraisers.
It's a nice little community, not too many people, maybe like 8 to 12, but it's a lot of nice people, very open and welcoming. You'll feel right at home. You'll learn a lot too.
Good morning, York. I am standing outside of the Green and White Gym on November 11th of 2019, where we're about to hold our Veterans Day Assembly. Let's take a look.
I'm Erin DeLuga, principal at York High School.
What does Veterans Day mean to you?
Veterans Day, this particular assembly and event is one of my absolute favorite that we have at York. I truly am humbled and honored by the veterans that come to be with our students during this day, but also veterans across the country. I come from a family that has many who have served in the military, and so the dedication, the sacrifice, and the humility of my family members that have been through the military and all of the military men and women who are here today is outstanding. And I'm just very grateful for my freedom based on their willingness to serve.
One last thing, what do you have to say to anybody from York who has served or wants to serve?
I say it's the most noble profession, and to do it with grace and dignity, and that we are so proud of you.
My name is Sergeant Banda from the United States Marine Corps.
What does Veterans Day mean to you?
Veterans Day to me means honoring those that came before us, who either gave the ultimate sacrifice or just put their time in so that we can have the freedoms that we have here today.
And then what brought you here to York? Are you a former student? Or?
I'm actually a recruiter in the area, and I was invited by your staff to come just be a part of the ceremony today. I'm honored to be here. I'm glad.
Good morning, York. These are your YTV daily announcements for Tuesday, November 12th, 2019. I'm Emily.
And I'm Gabby, and thanks Ashley for that recap of yesterday's assembly.
The November Dance Concert will be held tomorrow, November 13th at 7:30 p.m. in the Black Box Dance Studio. Come see performances by the Advanced Dance class, York Dance Company, and special guest performances by York students and professional Chicago-based artists. Admission is free. Hope to see you in the audience. The Amateur Musicians Club will be hosting a concert this Saturday, November 16th, at the Jam Lab Recording Studio in Brookfield. Music will start at 7 p.m., with doors opening at 6:30.
Backed by popular demand, York Spin class will be offered on Tuesdays at 3:30 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. in the field house and is open to all students. No experience is necessary, and this is a great opportunity for our off-season athletes to stay in shape. Wear athletic clothes and bring a water bottle. Classes begin today and will run to Tuesday, January 14th. Only 8 classes offered this year. 32 bikes will be available on a first-come, first-served basis. See Coach Delasky with any questions.
Winter's coming, and it's getting cold out. If you have any new or gently used coats, hats, gloves, or warm socks that you'd like to donate to kids aged 5 to 15, bring them to school. Collection boxes will be placed at the main, academic, and back entrances until November 15th. It's time for the York Holiday Apparel Sale. The Athletic Boosters have another fabulous collection of York swag, just in time for holiday gift giving. Visit the York Athletic Boosters page on the York website today and place your order for these and other items, which are available to purchase only during this sale through November 15th. Orders can be picked up during the Holiday Apparel Open House at York on December 11th.
Girls Soccer will be holding an informational meeting tomorrow, November 13th, in Form Room A250. Please be there by 3:15 to get information about the upcoming soccer season. If you cannot attend, please see Coach Dobrik in Room A118. Softball open gyms will begin Monday, January 13th, and are open to all athletes interested in playing softball and not playing a winter sport. Open gyms will be available Monday and Friday morning at 6 a.m. in the field house and Wednesday after school in the newly renovated weight room. If athletes have any questions, please get in touch with Coach Hulba.
Chinese Club members, please join us for the International Potluck after school tomorrow. We will meet in room 228 first and then go to the Commons together. Please bring some food to share. Contact Ms. Lee if you have any questions. Congrats to the following list of student athletes for committing to participate in collegiate athletics next year.
On Thursday, November 14th, Latina Dreamers will be holding a fundraiser at California Pizza Kitchen at the Oakbrook Center Mall. Come join us from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Yes, it's all day and all are welcome. Attention juniors and seniors, upcoming college visits are listed here. If interested, please sign up in the CCRC at least one day prior to visit to obtain a pass.
And those have been your YTV daily announcements for Tuesday, November 12th. I'm Emily.
And I'm Gabby. Have a great day, York.